Hi, I'm Tio. I 3D printed a paw cover out of flexible TPU filament that can be just slipped on to shoes or boots. And that's what I did here. So, normal boot underneath. I just put it on and it's held in place by itself. It was designed to fit exactly my shoe size, with shoe, of course. And that can be resized for other shoe sizes without problems. And the reason why I don't want it permanently attached is I can also make a fur cover that is not permanently attached to the TPU. So the claws here at the end, they will be the hooks that hold all the fur in place, and the fur cover will just sit on top of it. It cannot slip down because there is all the TPU underneath, and it cannot really slip up because this here is quite wide, and it would somebody have to pull a lot to get it up.